Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you my new engine. If you remember rightly, a few weeks ago, EngineDIY sent me this lovely steam engine. Well, this week they sent me one of their brand new engines. This is a RETROL beam engine kit with a working centrifugal governor. So we're going to build it today and give it a quick steam test at the end. The main steam test video will happen later on in a few days' time. Well, I'm not going to talk for most of this because the building is pretty self-explanatory. All I have to say is I hope you enjoy this, and once again, thank you so much to EngineDIY. So everyone, you just saw me build this beam engine, and now it's time to run it. So first step is get some water in the boiler. It shouldn't take a lot of water really. Yeah, that is now on. Get the safe valve on. There we go, nice and tight. Close that. And now let's fill up the burner. Right, so now light the burner and put it in the boiler. Okay, and put it under the boiler. And now it's lit, so now we can lubricate the engine. Make sure it's closed. Right, it's lit. So now it's put a drop of oil in the piston. Well guys, that was the first steam test, and honestly I'm really quite impressed. It runs very well. It'll need a bit of running in, but you know, it's a new engine, what do you expect? But I'm going to do a longer steam test in the next few days. So that was just a quick run to give you a show of what we're coming in a few days. So once again, thank you so much to EngineDIY for sending me this. I'll leave a link to the engine in the description and the comments. Thank you so much and hope you enjoyed.